Welcome, dear students, to another class of class 7, the seventh part of the our sessions. In this second half of the lesson Suvira, we will see the further lesson from where we stopped. So, in the last session, we saw that he's getting ready for that race. So, what happens to the writer, and what her thinking about what that thinking is going on in her mind, that we will see. You see, not only was I new to the school, last paragraph, but also my family and I had come away from Calcutta in what I viewed as unfortunate circumstances. Now see, his father, you know, was has lost the job, and therefore here they have come here. So in finding a new job, and at present, don't have a new setup they have to do. So a lot of money is needed, or then also the writer says, okay, when could our afford very few of the luxuries that I had grown used to and even taken for granted. I used to मैं अच्छी चीज़ें पापा मुझे दिलाते थे, लेकिन अभी परिस्थिति ऐसी नहीं है. I knew my parents had putting a lot of financial pressure on themselves by admitting me into this good but expensive school. पैसा नहीं होने के बावजूद मुझे एक्सपेंसिव खर्चीली ऐसी स्कूल अच्छी है, लेकिन बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है, जिसमें खर्चा जाता है. That type of school, I had to live up to their expectations now and mine as well. एक्सपेक्टेशन, अपने पेरेंट्स आपसे कुछ एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, आप स्कूल भेजते हैं तो वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि मेरे जो बच्चा है जो स्कूल जा रहा है मेरा, तो वो अच्छी तरह पढ़े, अच्छा इंसान बने. तो दैट एक्सपेक्टेशन दैट पेरेंट्स आर having, and her expectation is also there. What is her expectation? To win this 800-meter race. I would compare wearing my old battered spikes, since I couldn't afford a new pair. I could wear my old spikes and would win. Dear God, I had to win. He's remembering God also, and telling that the last pair which I have of old spikes, that only I've been using for so long, I'll use it. On your marks, the starter's arm went up. The whole school ground went deadly quiet. As soon as the starter's arm was raised, to start the race. At that time, everyone was silent. Who sprints first and ahead? That was, expected. Eyes were on that, and therefore no noise was coming at the time. I crouched down behind the starting line, standing in a position to start the running. That's called crouching. I tried to look over to my right, but my eye caught the dark arm that tends nearly for action. So next to her was who? Suvira. Get set. I looked up then. So all this process of race starting, sense mentally circling lane 3 and fixing on finish line. I was going to get there first. So wanted to win, the writer. Ahead of everyone else. Everyone includes Suvira Mathur. Suvira Mathur भी मेरे से आगे नहीं जानी चाहिए. My right leg was extended way back. Why will it be back? This standing position of stride, that they have to run fast. For that, what position they have to take that. See, the writer is giving us the idea. Go, the starter's gun went off, and I was out of my blocks almost immediately, racing away. Starter had that gun. As soon as the gun struck, at that time, all the people started, sprinters started, that race. There was no one on my left. More importantly, there was no one on my right. I was ahead and sprinting away. Right is ahead even of this Mathur. And therefore, Suvira Mathur is not nearby also, on the right and left. No one is there. The roar of the crowd was deafening. सब चिल्ला रहे, roar, deafening, कान में लगे ऐसे. Deafening means, you were not able to hear the roar. Because of the roar, nothing could be heard. I was thinking of nothing now, flying free, released. Then my ears began to register throbbing sound. तब इस आवाज़ बाजू में आई. I frowned slightly as a single voice of crowd chant. I frowned. मैं आगे हूँ फिर भी crowd जो है मेरा नाम नहीं ले रहे. क्या बात है? और बोल रहे जोर से, सुबीरा 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 सुबीरा. They were that way encouraging her. Subira, not the writer who is ahead. There wasn't a single voice chanting my name. They chanting my name, कोई मेरा नाम नहीं पुकार रहा था. Didn't even know my name or I was who I was, because he was new. 2 days will know everyone. New student will not be known to everyone. Not even those in my own house. House means the red house in which she is. To me, it seemed as one thing. The chant was rising to crescendo. Crescendo means जोरदार आवाज में फैल गया वो chant. Chant means सुवीरा वाला. And I knew why. I could hear the drum beat of her feet as they pounded down lane 4 in hot pursuit. मेरे पीछे कौन आई थी? सुवीरा. I knew she was closing in on me. मेरे से नज़दीक आ रही है मेरे पास. I knew that I had got away too early at the start. जो पता चल गया था जल्दी में मैं शुरू हुआ तब मैं बहुत ही स्पीड पकड़ ली थी मैंने. I hadn't paced myself correctly. तो ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. When you get early start ना, then at the end you will get exhausted. तो जो शक्ति चाहिए एंड में वो नहीं रहेगी. तो वी आर अप्रोचिंग द 400 मीटर मार्क. तो यहाँ पे ना ये 400 मार्क तक पहुँच गए रन दौड़ते हुए आधे रास्ते. द क्राउड वेंट क्रेजी. सुवीरा क्लोज गैप बिटवीन अस. वी वर रनिंग शोल्डर टू शोल्डर साथ में टू सी हु मेड फर्स्ट मूव. कौन आगे बढ़ने का ट्राई करे. स्लो डाउन आई टोल्ड माई सेल्फ. मेरे को मैं बोला कि रुक जा, थोड़ा धीरा कर. डोंट एग्जॉस्ट योर एनर्जी नाउ. अभी से शक्ति खत्म मत कर. Very imperceptibly, it's an old trick in racing. Very imperceptibly आप सोच नहीं सकते, लेकिन ये एक ट्रिक है रेसिंग की. कौन सी? टू कट ऑन योर पेस. जो दौड़ने का जो अपना जो रिदम है वो कम करना है. एंड योर ओपोनेंट टू टेक्स द प्रेशर ऑफ हरसेल्फ. इफ यू डू इट, द ओपोनेंट विल ऑल्सो take the pace, make the pace slow, so that they will be head to head. She did. It worked a bit. वो सही में सुवीरा माथुर मेरे वो भी उसने आगे दौड़ने का कोशिश नहीं किया. तो बट विद अ वाइल्डली एंथुसियास्टिक क्राउड egging her on, and just 300 meters to go, began pulling away. She was first now and had lost the lead when I had maintained the first half. लेकिन क्राउड के एनकरेजमेंट से वो आगे बढ़ गई. I hung on though, hanging on her tail like worrying dog. मैं उसकी पूछ बन के उसके पीछे ही थी. I just lay back a bit, catch my breath, refuel myself and give it my best shot. कि मुझे बिल्कुल अपने जो शक्तियाँ हैं मेरे में वो जागरूक करके मुझे क्या करना है, बेस्ट शॉट लगाना है. मीन्स द लास्ट लेग विच द विनिंग I am going to get the winning point will be on this energy. My gaze traveled down her legs and they pumped their way towards the finish line. Finish line की ओर नज़दीक जा रहे हैं. I think I was then what I saw her shoes. Her shoes were how brand new ones. नए shoes है तो उसके spikes ज़्यादा होते हैं, sharp होने की वजह से जल्दी grip आती है. With glistening sharp spikes that sprang forward, bit into the track and then sprang forward again like a wild, untamable animal. जंगली जानवर जैसे जिसको अनटेम है, यानी इसको ना अच्छी तरह डोमेस्टिकेट नहीं किया गया है, ऐसा जंगली जानवर की तरह ना अपने स्ट्राइड्स बढ़ा के दौड़ रही थी. आई ट्राइड नॉट टू थिंक अबाउट दो स्पाइक्स, लेकिन मैं वो स्पाइक्स सुवीरा के अच्छे हैं, आई डिडंट सी दैट. आई कंसंट्रेटेड इंस्टेड ऑन माई ओन. मेरे स्पाइक्स पे मैंने देखा. माइन वर ओल्ड एंड ब्लंटेड दो यूज से मेरे जो ब्लंट हो गए थे स्पाइक्स, मुझे पता है, बट दे हैड एक्सपीरियंस. कई बार ना घिसी हुई चीज़, लेकिन अपने है ना, आपने क्रिकेटर्स को देखा है जो बैट से वो खेलता है, अच्छी सेंचुरीज लगाता है, वो नई बैट से नहीं लगा सकते हो, है ना. दैट वे ना योर ओल्ड स्पाइक्स एक्सपीरियंस है उसमें. तो द ओल्ड स्पाइक्स वी यूज टू विनिंग, और इससे मैं जीतना आ गया था. श्योरली माई गुड ओल्ड स्पाइक्स हैड सम हंगर लेफ्ट इन दैम. उसमें ज़रूर और कोई भूख है जीत की जो है, इसलिए मैं ज़रूर जीतूंगी. आई वॉज क्लोज नाउ, जस्ट 20-30 मीटर्स टू गो. बस 30 या 20 मीटर ही की दूरी है. माई ओल्ड ब्लू स्पाइक्स एंड जस्ट ऑन द विक्ट्री स्टैंड ऑफन इनफ. कई बार ऐसे सिचुएशन में मैं जीती थी. आई वुड टेक दैम देयर दिस टाइम. जीता हुआ शूज़ लेके मैं आगे रहूँगी. What was going in the mind now? See, past those flashy new spikes, past the home favorite, I searched forward. Suvira had swiveled. Swivel यानी घुमाया उसने अपना sideways to check how close I was. देखा कि कितनी नज़दीक है राइडर. Seeing me close in, she stepped onto the accelerator, but I was going full stream ahead too. मैं भी जोरों में थी. Suvira, 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 Suvira. The whole universe reverberated. ऐसे साउंड ऐसे आ रहा था जैसे ज़ोरों ज़ोरों से सुविधा का जो रिदमिक साउंड आ रहा था. रिवर्बरेटेड मीन्स अगेन एंड अगेन वही आवाज़ मुझे सुनाई दे रही थी. विद द नेम ऑफ माई वर्दी ओपोनेंट. नेम ऑफ माई वर्दी, उसके लायक थी, हमेशा जीतती थी, तो शायद तो लोग जो है उसका ही नाम लेंगे. वी रैन टुगेदर, स्टेप फॉर स्टेप, स्ट्राइड फॉर स्ट्राइड, द ओल्ड फेवरेट विद न्यू शूज. ओल्ड फेवरेट न्यू शूज़. ओल्ड जो फेवरेट कौन थी? सुवीरा. उसके शूज़ कैसे थे? न्यू. द न्यू कमर विथ ओल्ड वंस. जो नई थी कौन थी? राइटर. और उसके शूज़ कैसे थे? ओल्ड शूज़ थे. द टेप वॉज विद इन आर्म्स रीच. यू कैन सी द टेप. जब वो दोनों साथ में, I charged towards it. She charged towards it. I could feel my lungs bursting with the effort. मैं पूरे एफर्ट लगा. bursting means सांस फूलती है ना, that bursting with effort. I could hear her gasping too. Gasping means that sound, when you are running and on the last stage of the 800 meters, at that time the sound, or the sorry, not sound, we can say the breathing that you hear, that is gasping. Hear her through the roaring pain of effort in my ears. जीतने के लिए चीख के आगे जाना. At that time I ducked my head and pressed at the tape. She ducked the head and pressed at the tape. Together I crossed the finish line. She crossed the finish line. The crowd went wild. दोनों साथ में पागल की तरह चिल्लाने लगे. वाइल्ड हो गए. Cheering and chanting, still chanting Suvira's name. उसने भी जीता है साथ में, लेकिन उसका नाम नहीं आता है. She is new. But in between the chanting, there were voices that asked, "Hey, who is that? What's that new girl's name?" लेकिन उस में भी लोग पूछ रहे थे कि कौन है ये, कौन है नई लड़की, ऐसा तो पूछा. That means she was recognized. And then we were standing there together on the top step of the victory stand, where both of us were using to standing alone. अच्छा लिखा है, देखो. हम साथ में टॉप पे खड़े थे, फर्स्ट पोजीशन में साथ में खड़े थे, लेकिन जब सुवीरा अकेली थी स्कूल में, तो शी वॉज स्टैंडिंग अलोन. When I was in Kolkata, I was 800 winner and always, and therefore stood alone. But now 2 people in this school are equals. She turned to me and smiled, a friendly, open smile, as though she was genuinely happy. in वो भी spirited थी कि let it be, I was always the winner, but now another girl has come who is also competitive towards me. So she also sees her as a good, we can say, a good way. She's standing with her and watching her. She turned to me and smiled. Then she smiles and says, a friendly open smile, as though she was genuinely happy. Well done, she said. Well done, I said. Both एक दूसरे को बधाई देते हुए. Then we joined hands and raised them to acknowledge the cheering of our school, my school. We both are raising the hand together and saying that my school and we are the first. This way, we have completed the Suvira lesson in 2 sessions, and then our WhatsApp group, we will be sending this answers of this also. So see you in the next class. Till then, goodbye.